YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog, man. Today we finna do like a cruise or something like that. I don't really know what's going on. I'm just going with the flow, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna get a cold start on the car, man. Hey, though, come check it out. I'm gonna show y'all the Jeep real quick. All right, y'all, man. Y'all be talking about the Jeep all the time, man. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a little fucked up. But I'm gonna get y'all a cold start on the Jeep, man. I'm gonna start doing content on this because y'all all say y'all want to see the 5.7 Hemi, you know, content. So I'm really probably gonna boost this, you know what I'm saying, if I don't sell it. But let me get y'all a cold start on this. It's a little quiet. We need to make it louder. Straight pipe coming soon, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm trying to do a third-person vlog. I don't got my camera yet. It's on the way, so we using an iPhone on this, so bear with me. We got the bonnet on. Let's get into it.
Anybody that stays on the lawn right now, if you're not washing your car, you're trespassing. You stay here, you're going to be arrested. Your cars are going to be towed.
As y'all can see, man, we got 12 right there, man. He said he's gonna arrest us, so we finna put the fake plates on, y'all. Yo, what's going on?
Damn, they finna bring them boys out of here, huh?
Just say it again one time.
I hate Mopo, but
Exactly.
all the bitches.
I ain't gonna cap. I don't like Mopar either. No more. And I just feel like it's just like a trend type shit. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah. So you
I really,
SRT to SRT.
I really want one of these I'm lying. Fuck a gay stain. Fuck a gay stain. How you feel about that? How you feel about having a Mustang?
Can I get a 40-year-old tonight? That's all I gotta say.
YouTube.
370.
YouTube. I'm a racing for a YouTube video, y'all. Like the video. Get to 25 likes. I'll race him. He got a 10-speed Mustang. It's pretty slow. I think he got some modifications though. So spam in the comments how y'all think he gonna beat me. I already know y'all gonna say it.
You know I really want that Durango though.
That's all you need right there. Get your little Hemi, motherfucker, bro. But you gotta start your credit off, bro. Even if you had good credit, they're not gonna let you get no cap, probably, bro. You gotta.
You never know, bro.
Interest rate still gonna be high as fuck. Cause he never bought a car. You gotta have that on your history, dog. That's why I bought a V. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, that shit. Nigga, that interest rate.
Yeah. That's a female. CP. Oh shit! Both ways or it don't count. Both ways or it don't count. Got it out lightly, slightly, but politely. You feel me? She talked her talk though. So what you trying to do? Tandem? Come on, let's do it. Let's just get it over with.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yeah. Y'all got the bonnet on. They got their cars out though. Roll back in an automatic is crazy. They said that motherfucker a box. What color is this? This kind of hard. I fuck with it. I think I'm gonna do brown on my car, y'all. What y'all think? Feel me? Wide body motherfucker. We was on some chill shit, but they got that shit outside. I'm not gonna lie to you. You got that new motherfucker, so you really good. You should have left your car running though, so it can be cooling it off with the fan.
Cleaning up with the van?
But you know, green belt motherfucker.
I want to do a different payment.
I want you to stop being pussy and actually slide it the right way.
I will find my way.
Nigga sliding in first gear and shit. What are you on? What you slide in?
Huh?
What you be sliding in? What gear?
You know, just, you know.
First, second, third.
She don't even know, y'all.
No, you know, it's just, you know.
You just do your thing. My fault. My fault.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm trying to get past, bro. She's steady in my way. What's your temps at, though?
They normal.
Hey man, spam the likes on this video, y'all, so I can go buy one of these. You feel me? I'm trying to make like $100,000 off this one video.
Stupid.
I swear to God. Let's turn me up.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't got nothing to say, man. I'm the hardest, littest nigga with the bonnet on. What the fuck you talking about? I'm trying to race this Mustang, y'all. But 12 is chasing somebody right now, so I don't know if we should like get out there.
I say fuck it. And he popped this. That's crazy.
I don't want to race me. We chillin' though. We're chillin'. Man with him with that slow
Look at him. He forcing it. Boy, I ain't know that.
Where you trying to go now? Probably gonna, they got another location in Earth City, but shit, I'm probably gonna get some chill shit. I don't know.
Come with the light.
Get all this. Don't just get It's crazy.
We got this.
Yeah, I ain't making that one. No, I got it. I gotta make this one though.
Them brickheads.
Y'all tell them 40 roll me with the cat. What you gonna do, Don? What y'all wanna do? What y'all wanna
What they
do?
doing?
Boy, what the fuck? What the fuck?
Can't drive.
You too! Oh, I gotta get the fuck away from them.
What the fuck are they doing?
I hate when I get by regular traffic. That's a motherfucking striker, y'all. He got no plate. You feel me? Niggas like that have no remorse for life. You feel me? We got the wide body motherfucker right here. I know you gonna move though. He ain't a striker. Move that striker. Move the striker. Yeah. Move the striker, motherfucker. In. EP is hell in the striker. That motherfucker moving. Striker. Striker music. In a strike. Yeah, let him get in front of us, y'all.
He flown that bitch.
Cause Striker boy. I'm in the Striker right now, y'all. I mean, my fault. I'm lying. Yeah. We on that cat. Might be your big. No cap. We on your big cat. Yeah. Hey y'all, that video that went viral on my page. That's the cat that was in the video, y'all. Tell them y'all want more content with them. See if we get she bad. Who mama is that? They mama bad as hell.
I need her to be my mama.
I would have said something to her, but you know. She probably got the nigga in the passenger seat.
Oh, yeah, fuck. She shouldn't be driving.
Yeah, I don't know if I was just recording. That kind of sucked because I was just cutting up.
Imagine.
I hope I got that motherfucker.
Striker, he got the ski mask.
Bro.
That's the Striker.
Bro with the Striker right there.
He got the ski mask.
Bro got the ski on.
Oh my God.
No plates.
Tell Don don't leave it. He finna run out of here.
Dog was in the Striker. You see the front windshield, y'all?
Damn.
Oh my God. That nigga in the Striker right there. He finna say something to you. Hold on, let me get this nigga on the YouTube. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Boy, you was moving this motherfucker, boy. God damn. God damn.
I got some things though, you. I think about some. Niggas can't even say nothing. POV AJ putting on his bonnet. Some slide.
Hey man, I don't know how much content we got today. I'm probably gonna mash it up with some other videos, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned.
Look at him.
My boy got 170 deep. It's a Striker, that's all I know. Yeah, we're gonna get something to drink up out here though. We ain't getting no gas. Comment below what y'all drink, man. What y'all go to the gas station and get, man. Me, you know what I get? Shit I get over there. Triple watermelon, you know, triple melon. That's what I'm gonna go with, y'all. Well, y'all go with the keep.
I fuck with the blue though, man. My favorite color blue, so
I get blue all the time. This what we gonna go with, man.
Hey, something, AJ.
Why would you have somebody out here? I'm finna pull the fuck off. We is in St. Louis. All niggas do is strike shit.
Damn.
Hey, look, y'all. It's in the vlog. Them niggas. Oh.
Cub, you got them on camera.
Hey, look. They not gonna go to jail though. Hey, y'all watching this? I'm not snitching on y'all. Do not come after me. Do not come after me.
Crazy. Why? Oh shit.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with. Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG into that nigga.